In 1835, deep in the Amazon, explorers stumbled upon a vibrant world where reptiles thrived. These creatures, like the emerald tree boa, had adapted to the dense canopy, their scales mimicking the lush foliage. How did they evolve such camouflage? Scientists were baffled as they delved deeper. They discovered reptiles using the rainforest humidity to regulate their body temperature, a survival trick. This adaptation allowed them to hunt efficiently, maintaining the ecosystem's balance. The explorers' findings sparked a new era of ecological studies, highlighting the intricate dance of life in tropical rainforests. Like, comment, and subscribe for more stories like this.